What's up, guys? Today I'm going to take you with me while I install a security camera. It's actually really nasty out today. If you can see, it's all raining, and so we're going to be underneath the front porch hanging the security camera. So here we go. So we got to decide, are we going to put it in that corner up there, or are we going to put it in this corner?
Well, I think that if we put it in that corner, there's going to be more of a deterrent from someone stealing packages or, or ringing the doorbell that's shady. In that corner, no one's going to be able to see it, and I think it's going to catch a person's back.
Yeah, if they have a hat on and they got it pulled down low and they walk under that camera, you'll never know who it was. So,
exactly. At least
and then they can walk up and get our packages and be gone. And since we don't have a shot of the street, I think you're right. I think it needs to go up in that corner.
Yeah.
And we'll just get a wide angle of both approaches from the driveway. The driveway approach. And the street approach.
I do think that that we need to create put the little table here or something so that packages are left here.
We can put a plastic container
so that it's still that's ugly. So that it still will catch
a basket.
Something. Well, it's our front porch.
Home and gardens. Okay.
We need new chairs out here anyway.
Well, one project at a time. I got to fix the garage door next.
Well, yeah.
So, all right, guys. So, I'm gonna get everything together. I'm gonna show you what came in the package with the security camera, and then I'm gonna drill a pilot hole up here. I'm gonna go up in the attic. I'll take you with me up there and see where it came through, and we'll be back in just a minute.
That song. One day and it won't be long. You're gonna be dead and gone. You're gonna be dead and gone. You're gonna be dead and gone.
that's it, guys. I am done. You see, I'll give you a close up. Oh, where is it? There it is. There's the camera. And then we'll go in here and look at the thing at the monitor. And there it is. There's my front porch. All working. Alright, so now we just gotta do a little bit of cleanup for this mess. And then that is one thing down. Check out that mess in the floor. Alright. Well, appreciate you hanging out with me today. You know, I really did appreciate the hand that you guys gave me. It helped a lot. I couldn't have done it alone. So thanks a lot. Remember, be happy and stay strong.